Guys, welcome to another episode of Thomas and Friends. Today,
Hurry up, Bertie.
Hello, Thomas. What do you think about this?
oh no, my front got damaged. Thank you, Rocket.
You are welcome, Thomas. Hello, Thomas.
Bertie, can you take my passengers?
Where do I take them?
To Edward.
Of course.
Be careful. Hardy, can you help me?
Of course, Thomas. Thomas is late again.
Is he coming? Let me see. Can you see him? No. We need to go.
There he is. Edward, wait.
Hurry up, it is late. You need to hurry up, Bertie.
I will. Let's go quickly. Edward, wait. Sorry, Marion.
Oh no. Why did this happen?
Let's go, Edward.
Yes.
Quickly, Bertie. There they are. Let's catch up with them.
Edward, wait. Oh no, he left again.
Wow, Bertie. Yeah, Bertie.
I will catch up with him. Edward, wait. Edward, wait.
What happened here?
Wait, Edward. I have Thomas passengers.
Oops. I didn't know.
We need help. Let's work together. We did it. Hooray for Bertie.
Let's go, Edward. Wow, I was able to catch up with him. I delivered your passengers.
Thank you, Bertie. Race you.
Of course.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.